Hi, my name is Mr. Eric, and I'm the Literacy Lab Coordinator here at Girls Inc. of Orange County. My pronouns are he and him, and today at Literacy Lab, we're talking about unity. Literacy Lab is a program at Girls Inc. where we have fun using reading and writing to inspire all girls to be strong, smart, and bold. So today we are going to talk about U-N-I-T-Y, unity. Let's sound it out. The Y is going to sound like an E. Are you ready? Here we go. U-N-I-T-Y, unity. What is it? Well, have you ever played tag and been the person it? I'm gonna get you, 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 I'm gonna get you. Or been it in hide and seek? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come. Where are you? Well, I can't find you. Being it by yourself can be super hard. It's really hard sometimes. Yeah, I don't really like it sometimes. But we figure it out and we tag and we have fun at the end. It's a great game. But now, imagine if all your friends were it with you. Oh yeah! Wouldn't that be awesome? How would that make you feel? Think about it. All your friends and you, it, in a game of tag or hide and seek, you would dominate. I think you would have a much easier time catching or finding everyone, don't you? Hey, that reminds me of a really good joke I heard once. Why does a leopard always lose at hide and seek? He's always spotted. Spotted kid, he's got spots all over. That was so good. Oh my goodness. And guess what? I got one more great joke. Here it comes. Get ready. Brace yourself. Where does the dog always hide in hide and seek? Think about it. The roof. The roof. Roof, roof, roof. Get it? The roof. Roof. That's where they always hide. I know it's true. So if you ever can't find your dog, check up there. All right, so back to unity. Unity is that feeling that you are not alone because a group of people decide in their hearts to work together. It's a good thing. Many of you are practicing unity, staying home right now. The whole community is staying home together. Our country is staying home together. The world seems to be staying home together because we're all together fighting something. People are united. That's the other way of saying unity. Are you ready? Unity is powerful! You know I'm a superhero. It can change the world, and so can you. Through unity. And it helps us work better together. All right, let's get creative. What you gotta do though is you gotta go find me a piece of paper, just like you would have at school. It can be blank, like a copy paper, or it can be lined. Either way, go find them. If you can't find that, maybe find a piece of cardboard, rip it off, cut it off, about this big, okay? Also grab a pen or a pencil, and if you have a marker or a crayon or a few of them, bring those too. Now what I want you to do is I want you to get that pen or pencil, and I want you to put your hand right there on the paper, okay? And now what you're gonna do is you're gonna trace your hand that's right in the middle, okay? Can you do that between each finger? Oh, it's gonna tickle. It's totally gonna tickle, all right? There you go. Now lift your hand up. And in the middle of where your palm would be, on the hand you just drew, I want you to write the word unity. Remember, it's spelled U-N-I-T-Y, unity. Now go around your house and find everybody you can, and I want you to try to have them trace their hand over where your hand was with your pen or your pencil. Don't cover up the unity with a line, okay? Be careful. Make sure it's centered right underneath the palm, unity, okay? You're going to trace their hands too. They might giggle, they might go hee 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 because it tickles, but it's okay, all right? And once you have everybody's hand on it, then ask them, on the edges of the paper to write their names. If they're too young to write their names on your paper, you can write their names for them. I want you to pause the video in a second, because what you're going to do is you're going to go put this amazing piece of art up somewhere in your house where everybody's going to see it. You want to make sure it's up on a fridge or maybe up above a door. Okay? Are you ready? Pause. Welcome back! You have a reminder for you now for your family and you to work together in unity. That's a good thing. So we got a new project for you. I'm really excited about this one. It's called Create a Unity Fun Schedule. Huh? Well, believe me, it's going to be fun. You'll need to get one more piece of paper for this. Get a pen, a pencil, and then at the top of the paper, you're going to write Fun Days. That's F-U-N-D-A-Y-S. Then, below that, starting at the top left corner of the paper, you're going to put an S for Sunday, and then put a dash. And then you're going to do a long line underneath that all the way across the paper. All right? Now below that, you're going to put an M and then a dash, and that stands for Monday. Same thing, you're going to put a long line across there. Then you're going to do a T dash line for Tuesday, a W dash line for Wednesday, a TH dash line for Thursday, a F dash line for Friday, and then another S dash line for Saturday, the best day in the world. We all love a Saturday, don't we? I do. Great job. Now, here comes the super fun part. You are going to make up super silly, crazy days for each of these days of the week. Kind of like you do at school when you have crazy hair day or silly pajama day. All right, same thing. What you're going to do is you're going to pick days of the week that you want to do some of these fun days that you get to come up with. Or you could have help from your parents if you can't think of them yourself. So maybe Monday can be wear green clothes day. And then Thursday you could do clap 3 times before I'm allowed to talk day. I don't know, make them up. You can do all kinds of crazy stuff. You could have a pajama day like we talked about. You could have a tell a joke day. Get creative. So what you need to do is you need to pause this video in a second, and then you're going to go do all this fun stuff, and then you're going to go and put this up somewhere where everybody's going to be able to see it. Just like you did with your hands, you're going to do this so everybody can see it and know the fun days every day of the week. And you're going to have a blast this week, I promise you. All right, go for it. Pause. Welcome back. Are you ready? Here we go. Here's our Literacy Lab adventure of the day.
It's time for the Literacy Lab adventure of the day!
Let's play a game. It's called Unity Scavenger Hunt. It's super easy and fun to do, but you'll need as many family members in your house to play as possible. I'll give you a few minutes. Go get your family ready to play. Just pause the video and start it up again when everybody's here. Pause. I'm going to tell you 7 items to search for in your house. To make it extra fun, you can even give yourself a time limit. All right. As soon as I say the word, everyone must spell it out loud. Then carefully run around the house and find the item and bring it back to me. Oh, and one more thing. This is a Unity Scavenger Hunt. Hold hands. I mean, literally, you're going to hold hands with everybody in your family and run around and find these items. Gotcha! Super fun. It's going to be a great time. So, you're going to laugh, Just don't knock into anything. Don't knock over your lamp or bump into your mom too hard. Be gentle. All right, are you ready to go find it? Here we go. First item. Now don't forget to pause the video. Go find a spoon. Pause the video, pause the video. Did you find it? Good. Next one. A TV remote control. Pause it, pause it. A can of food. Go, 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 go. Pause it, pause it, pause it. Something kind of stinky. Your flip-flop or a sandal. Go, 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 go. Just one. Pause it, pause it. One little flimsy sheet of toilet paper. Go, go, go. Get it, get it, get it. Pause, pause, pause. Now this can be electric or not electric. Something that you use to fix things. A tool. Go, go. Pause, pause, pause. A piece of grass or a weed from the front yard or the backyard outside. Go, 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 go get a piece of grass. Go, pause, pause. Give everybody a high five. Woo, woo. Give me a high five. Yeah. Yeah. One more like that. Yeah. See what you can do if you have unity? It's so cool. Now we are going to sing our Girls Inc. chant. If you don't know it, just find the video on our YouTube page and learn it. Here we go. I don't know if you've been told. Girls Inc. girls are strong, smart, and bold. And if you don't believe it's true, I'll be the first to prove it to you. Sound off. Sound off. Sound off. Sound off. Sound off. And that's the end. Excellent work, everybody. Well, that's all for this video, but if you want to, you can email me some of the ways that you think you can build more unity into your family or your neighborhood or even the world. If you want to send me a picture of the stuff you found while you were playing your Unity Family scavenger hunt, do that too. Or if you just want to say hi to Mr. Eric or some of the other Girls Inc. staff, you can do that through an email. Just remember, you always need to get your parents' permission before you email us, okay? Our email address is storytime@girlsinc-oc.org. So, goodbye for now, and don't forget, you are strong, smart, and bold. And don't forget, we're talking about unity here. We are strong, smart, and bold. Goodbye, everybody.